Have you ever wondered about the vibrant cultures spread across the vast Pacific Ocean? Today, Oceania is a region of incredible diversity. Think about the rich Mbori culture of New Zealand or the ancient traditions of Aboriginal Australians that stretch back tens of thousands of years. Picture the colourful festivals of Polynesia and the remote, beautiful atolls of Micronesia. Oceania is a powerful symbol of resilience, deep cultural roots, and a profound connection to the ocean that surrounds it. However, the region also faces serious challenges. Climate change is a major threat, with rising sea levels putting many islands at risk. Despite these hurdles, the spirit of the Pacific remains unbreakable, a testament to the strength and adaptability of its people. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing stories from around the world.